Hmm?
He's calling me back.
Pick it.
Hello. Good morning. Okay. How are you doing tonight? We are fine, oh. We are just managing. Sorry to bother you. Have you seen Okechukwu? Okay, no problem. No need for that. Just call me once in a while. Let me know how you are doing. Okay, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Hello? But what if... Hello? She's still asking me.
You give her the right answer. So, as she give her that answer, that's so it be, nobody will.
But what if she finds out?
Waiting and find out won't get to do with you. Waiting concern her finding out. If she find out, she find out now. So that will not be your business now. You know see Okechukwu be say you know see Okechukwu. You don't know where Okechukwu dey be say you don't know where Okechukwu dey. Say, you lap America to come find Okechukwu. No one use your head. Tell me, say, what if she find out?
But wait, so why would she think something like that? What is my business with Okechukwu?
I did my right hand. As you see as I did like this, I don't get joy soap. I see as you dey Facebook me like this now, I don't get joy soap. So use your head pan. If not, I go. That's it. I go put her for your body rapid. The mumu. You don't see Okechukwu be say you no see Okechukwu. When you see Okechukwu for villa, and Okechukwu fit do that their things there. They tell me say what if. Say, Bobby, you enter America to find money. Na bread you come find. Focus. Find money. When you enter Nigeria, you know why you come America.
Alright. I just hope it does not backfire.
No more. You don't be saying my blood there. I for don't put a rapid for your ear.
I thought it is in the same city that they all stay.
No, Mama. I think they live in different city.
Whichever one. See, my daughter, forget about Okechukwu.
Mama?
Yes. Concentrate on Nzube. Nzube that came to this house to confess his love before leaving.
Mama. Mama, please. You know it will not be easy for me.
But it is easy for him. For Okechukwu and his family to forget about us. So, it will be easy for you to forget about them. Forget about him. Inugo, do it. It is easy for you. Do it. You can. So it is not easy.
Can you imagine? So it is true.
What is true?
Okechukwu bought his mother a car. She just came to the palace with her driver.
Oh really? So it means that's true that her son is building a house for her? My dear, that's not the most painful part of it. Could you believe this woman worked
into the palace without even greeting our princess. Princess Emily, our own princess.
That's a lie.
She even have the effrontery to catwalk without permission, like just anyhow.
Anyway, what do you expect? Like mother, like son. This one has shown me that she had a hand in her husband's demise. Honestly. And she has ended up turning her children to think like her.
Igwe, I am so happy for the fact you called me here to ask me this question you just asked. Shows you a good man. Let me digress a little. You see, I have a brother that has lived in America for the past 10 years now. When he heard I sent my son, I betted from this womb for 9 months. I carried him. When my brother heard I sent him to America, my brother said, oh, my sister is a good woman. My sister is a strong chichicho woman. Why am I have sense. He decided to start blessing me. Blessing me. When it comes to your brother and your blood sister, your child is a third party. My brother started blessing me. Blessing me with money, dollars. Ego. Yes! Go see me.
So what you're trying to say is that your son is not the one building the house you are supervising?
My son that has not been able to send me a shishi. Faden. Penny Bapu is the one that will be building the house. Banner. My son has not been able to send my daughter and I in fact, 1 naira adobe. Manroy has not done it before.
What about the car you're driving?
God forbid. My brother looked at the car, even sent me the catalog. I saw the car and I chose this particular one he sent me. In fact, it's very chilling. My brother bought it for me. Like I told you earlier, Izukamana niche. Child is third party.
Well, it's okay. Thanks for the information. This is all I wanted to hear from you. So you can go back to your abode.
Thank you very much. You know, I'm a very truthful person, so I needed to explain everything the way it happened to you. Odoziak is mine. Ogori Mobi dear, the only beautiful woman in our community. Thank you very much. I said, let me make this appeal. Since I am here now, I think it's the right time for me to join the Internal Women Forum. As in here, I put it there.
Really? And what makes you think this is the right place and time for such conversation?
I know it might not be the right time. You know you're a truthful woman. You're very honest. It's true. But you know, as no nyere roach. Oga para yanko ya para. Oga para kwaji ya para. Makana ada liojo wada. This is an opportunity for me to do it. There'll be no better way.
Madam, like I said, this is not the right time nor place for such conversations, please.
But where and where else could it be? If not for now that I'm in the palace. But it's okay. You know, I know the one you will care about. No problem.
I believe the king has dismissed you. Please leave.
It's okay. Even when God is. He will. Is this? Sorry, I'm sorry. What is this? Are you? What do you call this? I don't know your mind. Right. People that work in the palace, they don't have
What is happening? What is going on here? I was just passing. I apologize. Very good. You know, for doing this kind of work, you would have paid yourself 10,000 naira. Next time if you can just
My king, that woman is lying.
Of course, I know she's lying, but what can we do about it?
Nothing. I know she's lying. My princess, why were the maids laughing?
they watered that stupid woman.
Father,
That woman is devil in human form.
Emilia said, watch your tongue. That woman is not enough to make you lose it.
my dear, just calm down, okay? Just calm yourself down. And all I know is there's always a day of judgment for every evil person. And soon will be her day of judgment.
Clear the road, Achiever has come. Chop the money, Achiever don't land you. Money on air, anywhere he enter, his name is Achiever. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, and I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye bye, yo. Obiama Bagolo Monson. Ekwe Jalumba Batago. He went and conquered. Ochekwalo Chutaya Bego. His name is Achiever. Ochekwa Society. The guy is paid. He's rolling with money, oh. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, oh. And I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye bye, yo. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, oh. And I'm Alicia Kike. Poverty, bye bye, yo. Obiama Bagolo Monson. You have forgotten the fingers that fed you. He's now biting the fingers that fed him.
Look at this woman just packed this thing. Give me like that without even selecting it.
She couldn't even select any part. The dirty part is too much, Mama. I'm tired.
Sorry, my dear. Let's do it and go and prepare food.
I'm getting tired.
Brother Izuna, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Mama, Brother Izuna's friend is back to this village.
Which friend?
His best friend. You need to see how he was paying money.
Brother, she said Okechukwu is back.
I'm not flying, no. Look at the money I picked.
From there?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Your friend has made it.
Hey, brother, she said he's back home. And he has money now. He's very rich. Very rich.
Nne, thank you very much. You can now go, oh?
Mama, it's his best friend, though.
No problem, thank you.
Mama, let me escort her.
Huh?
Go and sit down there. If Okechukwu is back, he will come here.
Oh.
Sit down. Everything you hear. Don't leave this house.
I'll go. Look at.
Starting when? Starting when? Are you proud of you? Huh? I don't want.
It's your mother.
I don't want.
My brother,
Hey!
This is just the backyard. Have you seen how beautiful it is?
Wonderful.
The plastering is so smooth.
Exactly, yeah. Mama, what about the plumber? Have they come to fix the problem in the sitting room toilet?
No, my son, but tomorrow they'll come.
Okay. Alright, I have to go and see Igwe Akukare to pay him homage.
Is it just the way you want to go and see? Or you want to go and see Princess Emily? I know you still have eyes for her. All these years, you still have eyes for her.
I do, but...
Clear the road, Achiever has come. Chop the money, Achiever don't land you. Money on air, anywhere he enter, his name is Achiever. Achiever, yeah, go. Chop my money, and I'm Alicia Gike. Poverty, bye bye.
One last time! Yes! Mom, I told you! I told you I'm a ready man! Time to get back to the street! I'm a very big guy! I won't stop making money, there is no...
I don't understand. Where is our problem? Big! Big! What's going on here?
I don't understand. I got to walk in now.
I don't know. There you go. What?
So, why you pissed? Is it because I didn't give you the money to settle that?
Okay, Chuku, if this is what you learn in America, then go back and regain your manner.
Where is that coming from?
What? How much are you paid as the chief guard of this?
No. Whether chief guard or one guard, guard is no work. Boy. In fact, take this money and go and take care of yourself. Let us go and see the Igwe. That is what we came here to do.
Take care of this money, I'm coming.
If you go there, he wants the money.
Let's go.
He was indirectly trying to...
Let's go!
Go.
Don't get to my nerves! Sorry. Let's go.
Leave him.
You gotta tell what this boy has. Who is it?
Oh, now, let us go. Go inside, let's go and see the Igwe. Poverty is all over you. God is not your job.
Don't talk to me. That's not.
Thank you. That's why you're my elder sister. That's why I love you.
Brother. See money.
Hey, see money.
Nne, is it true that Okechukwu is back? Eh?
What is it, Choma?
Is it true?
What is it? Can't tell your poverty-sinking family leave us alone. Leave us alone.
Kendirin, I thought you are my friend. Are you the one saying this to me?
No, I'm not the one saying it. Oh yeah, take now, take. Go and buy
take
something for yourself.
Take
now. Why you do like take?
Take now. We are dashing you money.
Now you will not collect it.
Take now.
Keep your money, Joe.
How can you be poor and you have pride at the same time?
See money.
Take money, you will not take money. I'll buy. You see that shoe? That sandal. That sandal was in the market.
You like to buy too much.
Yes, now that's why Brother gave us.
Keep the money first.
Brother,
go now.
Come back. Leave her. If Brother come back again, if he travel and come back again, our money will be good.
Yes. Oh, Brother, you is good now.
I'm telling you. Jesus. See money.
Jesus.
And see, all of them are mates. When last did we see mates in this our village? Hey!
Igwe, you know I made very good use of the opportunity given to me by these parlors. I worked hard. I worked very hard. Igwe, I worked day and night to make sure I make you and my mother here proud. My princess. You look amazing. More beautiful than I ever imagined. What have you been eating lately?
Where is Izuna?
I don't understand.
Where is Izuna?
I don't know. Izuna is probably in the forest chasing after grass cutters.
What are you doing here without Izuna?
Izuna is not my bodyguard. You know that.
Are you supposed to be sitting?
Without Izuna, you will never enter this palace. All your life, you will never. You will not be sitting down there. And you will never dine on the royal table. You will never smell embassy. Let alone fly in the airplane. Now you are right when you say that Izuna is not your bodyguard. He is your messiah. Now I ask you for the very last time, where is Izuna?
You know, what I'm still trying to figure out is the reason everyone is talking about what Izuna did for me. And they are not using the same energy to talk about what I did for Izuna.
Exactly. Father, I demand that this gold digger leaves the palace at once and never to return without Izuna.
Princess, how dare you?
What your man? Leave the palace at once and never come back here without Izuna. Is that clear? Now get out!
Come on, let's go.
This arrogance is becoming something else. This boy needs to be thoroughly investigated. Otika! Otika! Get me. Go upstairs and get my phone. I have to make some calls. I have to put this.
Now what kind of embarrassment is this?
See what I've been telling you?
Huh?
If it were that idiot now, everybody would be celebrating him. Eh?
Don't worry.
After you have achieved everything and yet to achieve more, yet they will not see the good in you.
Don't worry, Mama. By the time I'm done opening my house and doing my traditional marriage, they will not only respect me, they will get that bastard's name off their mouth.
Don't mind them. Let us quickly go and see Njideka. I know she must have been hearing about your doing since you came back. See, that's her. That's her.
My wife?
No. That witch. The witch's daughter. Okay, wait. Stop! Why are you hugging me? Are you going and then hug? Eh?
Mama.
But did she do anything to you? Mama, no. Am I your mother?
Mama.
Choma, what have I done to you?
Okay.
Huh? Tell me, what have I done to you?
Me.
I heard how you and your useless brother are going about this village gossiping with my name.
Otua.
Yes.
Me.
No,
I thought it was a lie. I thought it was a lie and I said that I would do my findings, but it's only 24 hours I stopped my food. And this village and everyone is fighting me because of your gossip. Chioma.
Okay, Chukwu. I swear to God, I don't know whatever you are talking about. I don't know about it. Honestly.
Tell me, Shona.
Shut
your mouth.
Who are we going to ask?
No. Tell me you sleeping with men, going around this village with men.
Me?
Is that what I lied to?
Sleeping with men?
Will you lie?
Okay, Chiku, I have never slept with anybody. I have never been with any man since you left this village.
No, wait. You look at me again at this age. You're looking me in the face and you're lying.
Mama.
Didn't I catch you kissing and romancing Nzube on the road? You would not even have the shame to go inside the bush or the house while people have been doing it. This one you brought it to the open so that the world will know that illegal here.
Obim, Nzube is just my friend. I was just telling him what I was going through. He hugged me. Hey! For me.
You don't have sense. Nzube, that is a terrorist before I left this village, has suddenly turned your friend, a friend who you kiss, caress, and romance around this village.
He's still a terrorist even now.
Obim, please don't say this to me. I'm telling you, don't say this to me. I have been keeping myself for you since you left this village. I am innocent of whatever you are accusing me.
Whether you are innocent or guilty, Ogafe, go and tell your witch of a mother that my shining star of a son is back. My achiever of a son is back.
Mama.
Nobody can stop his shine.
Mama,
not you,
please.
no witch of your
Don't say this to me and my family. We have not done anything wrong to you. We have never done anything wrong to you, Mama. Please.
Are you still listening to her? This one is abandoned property. Don't touch him, oh. I will slap you. Don't let me push you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Stop, Biggie.
Please don't do this.
Biggie. People have heart. You have chest. Keep your chest to yourself.
Never say you anywhere around me. Ever again.
Obim, please don't do this to me.
You got his clothes. You got my son's clothes. Are you mad?
Mama, please.
The kingdom you're looking for has been departed from you. You have turned it away. So deal with it. Amosu. Now, enter. Don't
Mama,
in the Bible, when
don't do this to
you
me.
to tell my own too. But tear it. Tear it. And not be no fear.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! Your mother told you not to step out of this compound. What did you do? You take off.
Now you are crying. No problem. Mama, the most painful part is that she called you a witch.
What? Who called Mama a witch?
Okay, Chiku's mother.
Eh?
I met them on my way coming back.
She called Mama a witch.
She called Mama a witch.
No, don't.
Mama, leave me. Mama, leave me. You are doing too much lately. Leave me. Mama, leave him. Leave him. This is what you do.
Go out. What did you do? Eh? What's the queen?
You know, this beer parlor does not fit you anymore. Yeah? Or people are tired of wine, butchmates, and so on. I'm going to build you a very large restaurant. A massive one where you can be serving all these foreign wines, champagne, words, and a say, and so on. Our zoo will be included. It's not a child play. What's wrong with that?
A very big guy. My achiever.
Yes, first of all, I think I'll punch in the sum of 20 million into your account. All of the day and I'll do you right now.
In Siego, no?
Hey!
Siego!
Mamodo go. You get to the point. On Siego.
Oh! You see, when you told me you needed a wife that you would take to Canada to become a nurse, I told you Jideka here is the only one qualified.
I know what you can do, what you're capable of. I believe you, Mama.
Have I been wrong before that you will not believe me?
Not at all. Look at her. A cute little smile.
Hey! Okay!
I have been, in fact, I might tolerate your excesses, but calling my mother names is what I will not take from you.
You can't do anything about it. I'm warning you. I will call your mother names today, tomorrow, and forever.
Listen now, what is it? No, come now. It's not what's been of this. Do you know how much you just wasted? What is wrong with you?
Obi.
Yeah, no, I'm not even joking with you. It's you, this attitude of yours. I'm not okay with it at all. Is it anybody's fault that you chose to remain in poverty instead of good life? What is it? Can't you let me enjoy my life? I am trying to live a happy life.
Obi, you start even questioning your source of income.
It's none of your business.
When you will wake up from this madness, I won't be there to say.
No, you can't wake up. I don't want you to wake up.
Allow me to have this monster.
Where are you? What kind of nonsense is that?
Tell me, who the hell are you? I will call your mother names any day and any time. Don't tell me. Tell me one more time. I will behead you and nothing will happen. Who the hell are you?
Everyone has seen the problem. You have seen the actual problem between my son and Pastor. This is how my son offered him money. Or better still, to take him to America. But he refused. He said he wants my son's money. He wants half of his money, half of his property, his cars, his houses. You see how it's done? That is wickedness.
You will never have it.
Don't worry yourself. Enjoy your woman. Enjoy your life.
You will never have it.
Never!
It's just jealous of me, I understand that. It's jealous of me.
Agum, Odogum, my one and only. Forget about them. Forget them. They are nothing to compare to you. You are the one that sacrificed your slot, like you told me, to them. God used you to bless them. God will still use another man to bless you beyond your expectation. So forget them. Stop crying. Stop tormenting yourself. What you did was good and right in the presence of God. So God will not abandon you. He must surely bless you. You give them your
Jeremiah 2:22 verse 2. Respect, money, and power, and your days shall be long. Take him away.
Please, my son.
Take him!
Please, one police, Biko. One police, Biko. Please, leave my son alone for me. Leave my son alone for me, please. Hey, please now. I beg you in the name of God, don't do this to me!
Mama, obedience to money and power is the beginning of wisdom.
I don't have any other person.
Your son is a bastard.
Please don't leave me! Please!
Hey! Hey! You should have seen the punch. Wah! The fight. If you see your brother, you pity for him.
Hey.
That boy almost killed him. With all his height.
Hey, Mama, what kind of wickedness is that? He went to kill our only brother out of wickedness and jealousy.
Okay, Fonu.
Hey.
That was why I asked my son to lock him up. Let him remain there until we open our new house. If not, he will come and disrupt everything out of his anger and jealousy.
Mama, instead of you to keep him himself for that long, why not allow him sign some papers?
Are you
mad?
mad?
Not come to our new house.
No, are you mad? No, you want to show me that you're more civilized than I am. I don't understand. So, you still have feelings for that idiot?
Eh? Mama, I don't love anybody. In fact, you should really do.
Please, don't touch me.
I beg you in the name of God, please. Forgive me. If I and my children have wronged you, please forgive us, please. Don't allow my only son to spend the night in that police cell.
You know he is your son.
He's my only son.
Oh, your only son. So your only son should come and kill my only son. Okay, all the more now.
No, you know it's not true. They are just friends. Friends do have misunderstanding.
Darkness and light do not have any relationship. My son can never be friends with your son. The poor and the rich can never be friends. They are not. Don't touch me. Don't touch me again. Don't touch me that hand again. Man, last time you for it.
Listen now.
Push her away!
Stand up, Mama. Stand up.
I don't know why you're coming here. Push her away! Are you begging her?
No. Carry your wrapper.
Go on now. No, some of these people from police said you are going across the gates. Away. The sheep.
What am I going to do?
Please help me. Help me tell Princess Emily that Okechukwu came to our house and arrested my brother Izunna.
Okechukwu?
Yes.
Arrested Izunna?
He has been arrested. Please, just go right away.
It's okay, yeah? It's okay. I think the princess must be sleeping or something. I'm going right away. Yeah? Wait for me. Princess, Shoma is here to see you.
Isn't that sister?
Yes.
I hope there is no problem.
She said Okechukwu arrested her brother.
Jesus.
Where? My princess!
So he attacked you first?
Baby, oh. That bastard is not afraid of me. That idiot is not afraid of me, and what he doesn't know is that I can actually make him disappear. He laid his filthy hands on me.
And this happened at the bar?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Do you want to claim for damages?
Damages, you said. He does not have money to pay for anything. Don't worry about damages, I'll take care of it. Alright? All I need you to do for me is to keep him here. Huh? Keep him here until I'm done with my housewarming party. And of course, you are invited to. Huh?
Surely I'll be there. Of course. Count me in.
Like you don't know who you're dealing with. I'm a very big guy. Alright? You know, I like you. I like you very much. You know, when I called the AIG of police, he directed me to you. Yeah? Now I know the reason.
I'm very, very reliable.
That's good. Yeah?
Yeah.
More shall come your way when you do the needful.
That'll be good.
Yeah?
You're welcome.
Good. DPO. Alright, I shall be on my way.
Okay. Have a safe journey. Princess Emilia, welcome to my office.
I believe you know why I'm here. Release him immediately.
My princess, you know this is a crucial case.
You don't want me to write a petition against you with the royal envelope, do you?
Oh, no. It hasn't come to that. It hasn't come to that.
Then call them immediately.
Constable Sule, please release that man. Izuna Okoreke, release him now. I said release him, don't ask me a question.
Just pray that your hand didn't wound him. Just pray. I'm leaving this office with him right away.
What are you still doing here? Rush to the kitchen, go and boil water. Let me come and press him. Okay, Mama.
You have everything to yourself.
No one dares with you.
Because you go to move.
Mama, take your stuff.
What they refuse to me to enjoy. That sadist boy. I took on our mother, man. That idiot was sadist. You should have seen the way he poured the whole, he poured the whole thing. I didn't enjoy my drink.
You may do all you like, but if you tamper with Izuna again, I will make this kingdom uncomfortable for all of you. Rubbish set of human beings.
Police. Man, the princess. Hey! Brother, please. What you have is bigger. I'm not wasting your strength on failures. They have failed. They have the money.
Is this the kind of example you want to set in this kingdom? Arresting people with the police? This is going to be the last time I will hear about this.
Oh my... I'm sorry, Igwe, but he fought me first.
He fought you because you turned your back on him. Listen, nobody's going to lecture you on how to run your life with your money. But you must learn how to respect Izuna. I don't want to hear this again.
That's alright. That's alright. But Igwe, that's not enough reason for the princess to come to my house yesterday and destroy things worth money. For me.
What? My daughter did what?
Exactly what I said.
I don't know where it's going. You don't know. Do you know that Princess Emilie went to his house to warn him never to try such a thing again?
That sounds right. Izuna has every right to fight him. He's a betrayer.
Hey. I will advise you take it easy. Take it easy before she will hear you and go and report you to him. You know what it means.
I am not scared of Okechukwu. I'm only hailing him because he has a little change.
He said little change, he has money. Anyway, me too. I go wine. Batman. Okay, where is the meat now? I don't dare the way since where the meat there?
Why did you go to his house and cause chaos?
I only scattered the food they were eating after locking Izuna up.
When you had freed Izuna, what do you intend to achieve? You look, that young man can press charges against you and nothing will happen.
Father, I have my own charges against him too.
Will you shut up? Now listen to me. You must not allow your emotion to control you. I hope this is clear.
Yes, Father.
Leave her alone. Allah. So this is you for real? Yeah? This is your true color. You know, my mother have been telling me things about you, but I never believed it. I have seen it with my two naked eyes. It's barely few months I left the country and you went about telling people how you made me, how you sent me abroad. You did this, you did that. What did you do for me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, I came back. With my church mind. I arrested you. I took you to police station. I wanted to keep you behind bars for a while. Then bail you out. Decide on what to do for you. But no. You called a girl, one man say a lady, Namaro, to come and bail you. Why? Now what can make them Potinello? Now let me tell you, from now on, I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. Anywhere around me, I'm going to photo again.
Only a one guitar. I dare queen me since. Or go up with the wabingo. Or give it the wabingo, I'm going to photo again over that. Just look at yourself. You did this for a very big guy, you did that. What can you do for me? What? Nothing. Not the woman.
This criminal here has been stolen from my company overseas. As a matter of fact, he's connived with my American secretary. They've been shipping my goods from my company overseas to Ghana. As a matter of fact, he has stolen over 500 million naira. I've been aware of this for a while. I've been watching him closely. So I thought maybe there could be kind of change and stuff like that, but no. He kept on doing the same thing. Anyways, without boring too much talk, because I have a lot to say. I'll be stripping you of everything you have. Including your liquid assets, landed properties and everything. So, and I'll be transferring them to Izuna here. And of course, hand you over to the law to take its course.
Yes.
You're an ingrate and you deserve to be jailed.
Yes. I declare by the name of my father before me that everything you stole from my son now belongs to Izuna and his family.
Igwe!
The house, the land, the cars, the money recovered from you is now his. I hope this is clear.
Igwe! Very clear.
Your Majesty, please. I don't want to reap where I did not sow. I cannot touch any of his properties, please. You can will it to the less privileged, maybe motherless baby so. Charity. I can't touch any of those things.
Izuna, what are you talking about? It was initially yours. You have to take it.
I'm not the one that traveled to America. It is not mine. Not what I can learn.
I've heard what you say. Alright? Officers, please take him.
Silence. One more thing, please. I need to give you. Not having to see yourself. If you're not in jail, you have nothing to do. That's it. He's still our blood. He's our own. He's your child. He's our blood. I don't want him to go to jail.
Izuna, what are you talking about?
Yes, you stripped him of everything he had. That's enough punishment. I don't want him to go to jail, please. Let him not go.
No, stand. Just sit down.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. I'll think about it. You are hereby dismissed. Just know that I'll think about it.
The reason he is for him to keep saying you every day so that he will laugh at you.
I know. Yes, of course, I know. I know he wants me to go back to my wind up in business so that he will use me to do his local and petty businesses. Man, walk, Mama. I know I will show them that I came back to this village prepared.
I know.
I am prepared to face anybody. Anybody.
I trust you. I know you will fight back. I trust you.
Mama, have we not done enough? Even the money we are even eating now was even stolen.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Idiot!
She is amongst them. Collect everything you
brought. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. I bought it with the stolen money. Idiot!
Mama.
I am paying your school fees with the stolen money.
If you don't enough for that outside, you would have been
give me your own.
Brother, I'm not a
collect her own too.
Mama, no.
Give me your phone.
Her own. Mama, see the iPhone brother got for me. I'm not supporting them. You know that I'm not supporting them, Mama.
You're part of them.
Hey, Mama, no, I'm not supporting them.
If not for one thing, I will have skinned you alive. Bastard!
Collect that with that.
Idiot!
Mama, no, I'm not supporting her.
Stolen money! Come here! I said come here!
But you see this guy, Izuchukwu, Izunaye, he's really a cool guy. Quite exceptional with his characteristics. He's got this level of honesty that's rare there, transparency, and selflessness that I really think there's need for us to kind of reward this guy with some kind of leadership position in the community, like kind of political stuff. I don't know what you think about it, but I really think this guy is really cool. What do you think about it?
Bam! My prince, Ijia, Okuga Amaka. Yes, Your Highness, I think the prince is right. Izuna has proven himself to be very exceptional in this community. And I agree with the prince that he should be sponsored to a political position to represent us as a people. I mean, for the betterment of this community. The prince is right.
That means think about it. This is something you really need to think about. He's really a good guy. I really want him to be rewarded for.
I have always known it. I've always known that money Bible was busy claiming, pretending, spending everywhere. I've always known that it's a stolen money.
But that guy is very wicked and mean. After all the sacrifices.
Open my own.
Not your place is on. Imagine, bro, that guy is very wicked and mean. After all the sacrifices that the Sunna did for him,
See, my own is I have changed my phone from the American criminal money. See my phone. Hey. I made 100,000 naira. 100.
Ordinary 100,000. Me that collected almost 300,000 naira.
No. That one is a lie. It's a
I'm
lie.
very sure, bro. See, excuse me. Why will you say it's a lie? No. Give me one good reason why you say it's a lie. Okay, fine, let me shock you. Were you there on time? Were you there? And of course, you were not there on time when he was opening the house. Let me tell you something. When we came, those people that came on time, he came out and he was spraying money. Too much money. Like he was spraying money. My guy, the money was too much.
I really miss something, my guy.
I miss you.
Alpha Chetana, what about your sister?
Oga, are you here to drink or you're here to gossip about my sister?
Oh, God. He only asks you a question, a harmless question. All you do is to answer him.
It is obvious that you in particular, you look very stubborn. I have told you before, if you are done drinking, Oga, leave this place when you are done.
Outbreak, no, they affect two people.
It's only money.
India cup, like India cup.
That's it, come.
Papa, have you seen what she has caused? People are there mocking us. I warned her. I warned you. Look at what is happening now, Papa.
Chetana, will you shut up? I told you not to open that shop today, but you wouldn't listen. Now let me tell you, any insult people are throwing should bounce on you, and you alone live out of it.
Never, Papa. Papa, you're not even helping matters. When she was here, running up and down, betraying Izuna everywhere. Papa, did I not warn her? Did I not warn her, Papa? And you are telling me to stop my business, Papa? Papa, no. This family must succeed.
Your business? Then go and do your business and leave her alone. Go and do your business.
Papa, I cannot go like that, oh. I cannot even go like that. Why am I even here? I want her to come there so that she will sit down, so that all this mockery and insult people are giving to me, so that they will transfer it to her. Papa, I'm tired.
Go and do your business.
Papa, let her come, oh. Come and collect even if it's too insult first, you understand?
Don't mind him.
Izuna, I don't know why you do the things you do. I have no idea. But today, I have learned to trust your judgment. Honestly. Thank you for being you.
Thanks.
Can I get help? Listen, I have one more thing to tell you. So, I don't know how to say it, but I'm in love with you. Yes, I am. I'm in love with you. I've always been in love with you. I can't help it anymore. So I just have to tell you.
I've heard what you said. I will think about it.
It's okay. It doesn't matter if you have anything or not. Just think about it.
Wait, how much did you buy this egg?
200 naira.
Which 200 naira? Please go and bring my money back, Biko. I'm asking 200 naira. I bet half for go in a gat tufu. I don't want to eat 200 naira for this small egg.
Mama, why are you shouting?
Agum.
Ma?
Okay.
I've never been catching bush meat lately, so I decided to change my hunting strategy. I want to start night hunting, so I'm starting today.
Night hunting, brother?
Yes.
Yeah. That is risky, brother. I don't want anything to happen to you.
The forest is mine. Nothing will happen to me.
My son, I will no longer stop you from what you want to do. All I know that the God Almighty will protect you.
Amen.
God will guide you. God, in fact, God will bring big animal that you will kill.
Amen.
Go well.
Be careful.
Go and return that egg and bring back my money.
I should return this 5 eggs.
Return it,
This 5 eggs, Mama. I'm not returning my egg. I'm going to
return the 2 and bring back
Mama,
my
go
and return that egg and bring back my
You will see no shame at all. You have a good heart. You have a love. Keep it on. There is always a blessing in doing good. Esimbo mmadụ kasi ai omume nwere atụ manja kilikene nwa esimbo mmadụ kasi ai omume nwere atụ manja.
Tell me, how do I look?
Oh, you look so pretty.
Thank you. I guess I'm good to go. Yes. Hand it over. Oh. Hey. Mom, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? My beautiful daughter.
Mom,
how was your night?
It was fine.
Hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What? Okay. I had a conversation with your dad last night.
Okay.
And I can't wait to break this beautiful news to you because I know you'll be very happy about it.
Mom, tell me, I'm all ears. What is it?
Maybe you should guess.
Guess. Mom, just tell me. I can't think of anything right now.
Okay. Your dad and I have decided to reward Izuna in a very special way, which I'm very sure you'll be happy. That's if he's going to accept. But we are going to convince him by all means to accept.
What is it now? We're just all smiling. Tell me.
Okay. Okay. Okay, your dad has decided to make you Izuna's wife. She's so happy. Oh my goodness. So I guess you're happy now. No more tears, right?
Hello.
Hi. My prince. Good morning. Yes, my
prince.
prince.
Yeah, I know what's
Mama.
going on. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my prince.
How are you?
You're welcome to my home.
Oh, thank you very much, ma'am. I'm actually here to say Izuna.
He's not yet back from the hunting, but he will soon be back.
Okay, that's okay. Could you please help me drop a message? Just tell him that I'll be back around 12 o'clock, or perhaps I'm going to send my guy to come pick him up to the palace.
My prince, I hope all is well.
There's no worries, ma'am. There's no problem at all. Just want to have a hangout with a friend.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Okay. I will tell him, my prince. Okay. As soon as he comes back, he will come to the palace to come and see you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay, my prince.
regards, okay.
My regards.
Mama, I couldn't even hear anything. He was speaking like a white man.
Hey!
Mama, money is good.
Chai! Hey!
What's going on? Can you take the fuck out? What's going on, really? What's going on? What the fuck? What are you guys doing? What the fuck are you guys doing, nigga?
Jesus, you devil! Free me, Okechukwu. Now! Even if I free you, what can you do? What are you going to do?
You are such a wicked, heartless ingrate.
It's alright, I take it as a compliment. To visit your hair. Huh? Let's make it snappy. Pick up your phone, call the bank manager that freezed my account to unfreeze it. Then call the police officers to return my international passport. And I will let you go. Be fast about it.
Okay, you are being delusional. I will not do it. You can't do your part.
Are you stupid? How dare you talk to me in such manner? They bought your place, you the buga. I don't want to be buga for. Mamba!
I will do it. The moment I leave here,
shut up!
You're gonna be a fucking dead man.
Dead man don't say and dead man don't come. Dead man are throw overboard for the fishes to manipulate. I think. Stop wasting my time and dial the number.
Okay, Chuku. You're such an ingrate. Trust me, I will not dial any number. You can do yours.
The next will be on your head.
Don't waste time.
Guys, go outside there with other guys. Make sure you check everywhere. If you see any person, kill them like mosquito. Fast! Don't waste my time! Dial the number! Dial it! I hate you with passion! Everything in me, I hate you! I can't wait to strangle you! Don't play with my patience! Dial it!
sick of joking with you. Keep hurry! Dial the right number. This is not the right number. Dial the right one. Pick your number. Dial it. Are you doing it or not? Now, fuck up, to do something, man. You know, Mark, you stupid. Do it!
Game over for you.
What are you doing here?
Okay, Chuku, I'm warning you. Surrender yourself.
What can you do? You know, from country. What can you do, weakling? Allow me do this and have peace of mind. Alec! Look at you! Look at you! You shot your best friend!
I didn't make me your best friend. I don't have best friend. You are a betrayal, Okochukwu. You have caused enough damage. Your time is up.
I've just started, and you can't stop me!
My prince, are you safe?
Yes.
So, where are you?
Somewhere around Akutanka, something forest.
Kotanko Forest. Oh, okay, my team will be coming there like immediately.
Please.
Prince, are you okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
My king, they say they're at Kotanko Forest.
Kotanko?
Yes, and my boys will hit the ground immediately. Hey. 1 minute, please. Sergeant Daladi, I want you to mobilize the boys. We need you at Kotanko Forest for an arrest. Alright, thank you very much. They shall be on the way. Our men are almost there.
Thank you very much. Is there any assistance you want?
For now, we can't ascertain, sir.
Evil will never prevail.
My prince, are you okay?
Okay, thank you.
What about this one?
Where's my friend? He saved me.
The criminals are dead.
all my trust in you. I believe.
Never ever lemon. I know your mother will be happy wherever she is in London. Let me quickly do what is needful. Emma na adaja chinwe maka na nne mụrụ ya n'elu. Ọnụnụ di na nwunye dịrịba ya mere na nke unu ya dị. Unu ya ọmụmụ nwoke na nwaanyị. Unu ya dị ndị ogologo na-arụ isi ike. Ọ bụ n'ife udude na-ekwu ka mmadụ na-anụ. Ife mmadụ na-ekwu ka udude na-anụ. Ya mere unu chọọ ọnụ ya achọta. Unu yọọ unu ya ayọta. Ọ ya dịrị mma na Eke. Orie. Afọ. Nkwọ. Right.
What did I do that you broke my heart? My heart is shattered. This is not the plan. What did I do?